What's going on, all my YouTube people? So I got a special video for you guys today. A few weeks back, I went fishing at one of my favorite fishing spots. It's up in the mountains here of California, and it was for trout. I ended up limiting out on trout that day, which is rare, you know, that doesn't usually happen. At the end of the day, I cleaned the fish, and I recorded a video of me cleaning the trout. I wanted to share with you guys how I clean my trout, which by no means is the right way, but hey, it's the way I do it, and was the way I was taught. So, let me know in the comments below what you think, how you clean your trout. It is a little graphic, as I will be showing the guts of the fish, so if you're not into that, please don't watch. But for everybody else, please enjoy it. Hopefully you guys learned something, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you. Alright, time to clean the fish, got it? Take your scales off first. Just put it under some water. Opposite way the scales growing, both sides. Rinse it off. Come down here with the tip of your knife and go in the butt. Slice all the way up the belly. Come inside here, and right here where their gills are, cut through the plate. It's a gill plate. So now they're cut, as you can see. Grab under here, like this, and pull. Pull all the guts out at once. Come inside here, get it all cleaned out. Get all that blood out of there. All the extra guts. Inside here you have the bloodline. You see it right there. Take your blade, cut. And then you're going to push all that out. Come through here, clean off the gills. Get that off. A little bit in here, you can get it out if you want. For the most part, it's all out. There's a clean fish. All done, ready for the oven. These are all going to get smoked though. There, our catch for the day. Damn. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was fun making. It was even a funner day on the water. It's rare when you hit your limit of 5 fish, but that's not what fishing's about. For me, it's just getting out there away from the hustle and bustle and daily grind of life. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe you learned something from the video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. I have plenty more things that I want to show you guys, and if you guys want to see anything specific, please just reach out and let me know. Again, thank you all for being a part of this, and I hope you stick along for the journey. Thanks everybody. Have a good one.